Welcome back to my channel. Today we will finish painting Vasquez's head and add some details to make it look more realistic. And first we need to correct the color of the bandana. The color paint became darker after drying, so I decided to repaint it a little bit. For this purpose I will use the Fire Flame color from the Crimson Red set from Vallejo. Let's quickly get back to the headset. I looked through a lot of source materials and the camera on the headset should be slightly bigger. I'll try to fix it right now. We need to cut out the lens first, then we will find something closer to original. From the previous prepared green epoxy putty from Green Stuff World, I will make something like a sponge which will match better to the head. Okay, back again to the bandana topic. It's time to paint it characteristic black and white pattern. I want to go the easy way on this one and just print and stick a decals with the pattern. But as I said, I like to complicate my life, so I decide I will paint it by hand. Okay, that's how bandana came out. Maybe it's not perfect, but I can live with that. To paint the headset, I will use Olive Drop from Life Color. The original film use headset also appears in this color, but first we will spray everything with the black primer from Vallejo. The set is already painted, a little more weathering on the edges, and it should look quite decent. We will paint the mounting ring with a blue-green paint from Vallejo. As I understand, the element was originally made of copper and had some oxidation issues. Okay, it is a small element, but it has this color on all reference materials, so I will paint mine like this also. We have measured the size of the lens and now we are ready to print a slightly larger one. And now that you have seen it, unfortunately it's a bit a spoiler. Now you already know that we will also slightly rebuild Smart Gun a little bit later. I printed 4 lenses of slightly different sizes to choose the right one. To imitate the camera's eye, I will use mini pearls that I bought some time ago, and then back in the day they were working great imitating water bubbles under the layer of epoxy resin. Maybe I'll show it to you one day. We will make several pieces of different sizes and then we will see which one is the best for our camera. Then we got to fill the whole thing with a thin coat of UV active resin to resemble the glass. We can glue everything together now, and I think it looks way better, way nicer than just a painted camera. Such a small details give model more character. Okay, that's all for today, folks. Check out my Instagram, of course. There you will find more information about the new projects and updates on the current ones. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next episode.